Hey everyone, today is a great day in the Feedfeed test kitchen because we are here with our friends at Spindrift and I'm going to show you how to make a shaken Piña Colada with their new Spindrift pineapple sparkling water. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just grab your favorite pineapple sweater, which as you can see I've already gone ahead and done. Now I'm going to add some ice to our mason jar and we're going to shake up a little cocktail. Yummy in your tummy. All right, we've got ice in our shaker. We're gonna go ahead and add some rum to it. I'm using sort of like a light rum here, just because I think it has some nice body, like some vanilla notes to it. We're gonna add some coconut water because alcohol is very dehydrating. Coconut water is the opposite. Balance. I'm gonna sweeten this with some coconut sugar in the spirit of a piña colada, but if you wanna sweeten it with something else, white sugar, maple syrup, whatever sounds good to you, that totally works too. And then some coconut cream. That's gonna shake up nicely. Just wait and see, I promise. We're gonna zest and juice a lime. And what's great about this cocktail too, is that if you wanna leave out the rum and make it a mocktail, you totally can. It's gonna be just as delicious that way. So we're serving this over ice. So I'm gonna add a few to my cups and we'll strain out the cocktail. Wow, get this creamy goodness. All right, so now I'm gonna crack open my Spindrift pineapple and we'll top these guys off. One thing that I love about making cocktails with Spindrift is that it's made with real squeezed fruit, so it's so delicious, super fresh. All right, we're gonna finish this off with a cute little pineapple. What's a cocktail without an adorable garnish? A little fresh mint. Doo-doo-doo. All right, does someone want to come drink this with me? Everyone knows that a cocktail is best enjoyed with a friend. Cheers.
Yum. Oh my God, on the beach immediately. Transported into your shirt.
If you like piña coladas and getting caught in the rain, then you should head to thefeedfeed.com for the full recipe. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.